gonna take another police officer for a ride.
It's a test.
It's a test.
Tried the best I could.
Is it that fast?
It's fast.
All right. All right. So today, what we're going to be doing is doing a full flex fuel tune. I'm going to talk to you about what's in the kit that we install in your car, and we'll go over the entire process on the dyno of what to expect when you get in your car from tuned for flex fuel. So the first and most important thing about flex fuel tuning is we sell these COBB Flex Fuel Kits. They're the best flex fuel kit out there. They're the most comprehensive. They're completely plug and play. There's some other kits out there that also work. We just prefer the COBB kit. For us, it's the easiest and the most reliable. So inside the kit, you get a couple of knickknacks. This is the ethanol content sensor. This is the main sensor of the flex fuel kit that is used to tell the computer in the car what the ethanol content is actually reading. This sensor can tell the car, it tells the ECU whether you have pump gas or E85 or anything in between, and then the computer will compensate based on the tune that we put in it. There's some lines, fuel lines for the kit, for the content sensor. These make it completely plug and play. And then this is also the plug and play harness for the entire kit. It's completely plug and play. It plugs into a couple different places in the car and plugs into the content sensor itself. And this is like the brain of the unit. This is what deciphers the signals from this sensor into your ECU. We'll go ahead and get this installed on the car, which is already installed on the car. And we're going to start with doing the pump gas tune. We'll go through the whole tuning process for pump gas, then we have to fully drain the car of pump gas, put E85 in it, then we do a full E85 tune, and then there's a blending process that goes on the computer. All right. Okay, take a look at under the engine bay of the car. Don't mind our 40-year-old alternator, but here you can see the COBB Flex Fuel harness kit. This is the module that controls everything. This is what communicates with the ECU. Content sensor is down here. That's the content sensor down there. Installed. It's more or less, it's a 1, 2, 3 kit. Now is we're going to pump out all the remaining pump gas in it. There's only about a quarter of a tank left, but we need to get it completely dry. And then we'll put E85 in it, so it's 100% perfect E85. This way you get both spectrums of the tune. You want a full pump gas tune and a full perfect E85 tune, and then everything that happens between those two will work perfectly. If you go to the pump and you get E70, it'll be perfectly tuned for those two. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to get the fuel out of the car. I'm going to do some setting up for the E85 tune, and we'll get back in here and finish up the E85.
Hey! Got gas? We got gas!
That's how much in this one?
Gas we got!
This thing sucks. Do I have to sit here and hold this? That's a problem. Now we wait. Okay.
Yeah, that's all. What's that magic trick you told me about to make this whole situation end faster?
Faster? The power of YouTube?
I don't. Yeah, how does that go again, bro?
Look at the. Come here. This is the power of YouTube.
Okay.
Get the VP kids in there. We're just gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. Gotta get a couple shakes on that. Am I right or am I right?
1,000 degrees. Can't talk right now, I'm just like so wet. Dripping. I need a water boy. I need a water girl.
Applications, please send to Performance Oil Solutions.
Nah, I'm kidding. I'll take a water boy.
Huh?
So now I'm kidding, I'll take a boy.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
With E85 in the car, it's way less prone to detonation or knock. So we can run way more, well not way more, a lot more boost, a lot more timing. We can make a lot more power. That's the idea. E85 is basically race gas at the pump, and it's, you know, half the price of pump gas. Win-win. All right, we've got our E85 in the car. We've got an E85 map ready to go. So we do some polls and see what she does. Out of my way, Pat. Sauce. Alright, so we just finished up the E85 too. Smooth, made 50 more wheel just on the E85, not barely any more boost or anything like that. So what we're going to do now is I have to now save this off and then blend the two maps, and this thing will be a full functioning flex fuel tune, which is you can put any gas you want in it, and the tune will compensate the tune for it, and you can continue driving like nothing ever happened.
Tomorrow for sure.
I got no control.
Tom Cruise, help me!
I lost all control.
And we have no seatbelts.
She moves pretty good.
Just saying. No seatbelts, no harnesses. 350 horsepower.
You know, there's definitely some things I didn't bolt check either, like
Oh god.
suspension components.
Suspension might fall out.
Works. It's illegal. Car ran real good. Car ran real good. I'm not sure what to do with my hands. So, with the E85 in the